Pesarattu is a popular South Indian dish made with green gram and rice, typically served with ginger chutney or coconut chutney. To make pesarattu, soak green gram and rice for 4 to 6 hours. Then drain and grind them with green chilies, ginger, and salt. The batter should have a similar consistency to dosa batter, and you can ferment it for a few hours to enhance the flavor. To cook pesarattu, pour the batter onto a heated griddle, spread it into a thin crepe, and drizzle oil around the edges. Cook until the edges start to brown and the bottom is crisp. Then flip and cook the other side until it's cooked through. Serve hot pesarattu with ginger chutney, coconut chutney, or any chutney of your choice. You can also experiment with toppings and fillings like chopped onions, coriander leaves, or grated carrots for added flavor and texture.